shuffle back that way versus a bit more room. Okay, so now we're looking at rolling entries. Again, Danaher doesn't favour these. He favours the low amplitude, low risk movements, which is why we did knee-based entries. Perfect for beginners or people that haven't been doing jiu-jitsu that long. Again, then next down the pecking order is foot entrances. But again, knowing that we don't chop them in from this position, we have to break them down first. Takes a wee bit more skill, takes a wee bit more timing. Rolling entrances are more high risk, high amplitude. Lots of things can go wrong, slippage, they can end up in a scramble. But out of the ones we're going to look at, Danaher says this is the most high percentage. So we looked at different ways of playing harness or seatbelt. I can lock harness control. I can use this to pull, to put a knee in, and then start getting on the back with knee-based entrances. Okay. Another thing I can do is I can push Declan's chin into this chest. So when I lock harness control, the connection of my hands is going to come to the near side shoulder. So I'm making my connection at Declan's right shoulder. As I put my right knee beside his right ear, my right shoulder is now driving into the back of his neck. From this position, I have to tuck his chin. I'll never roll him if he's posted on his head. But now I put my head on the mat and I make a connection with my sternum connected to between his shoulder blades. Now from here, I'm just opening out my left knee, going wide. And as I roll Declan over the shoulder, we end up in the back position and on the back, and I can start playing the game. Let's look at that again. So the movement that I want is this head on the mat, and then I lift this knee and I open it up and my leg kicks back. As I roll him over, he lands between my legs. Just head towards the radiator, bro. Perfect. So maybe I couldn't get the knee in. I was trying knee-based entrances, he's too tight waist grip, I couldn't get him down to the hip. We've got to open things up now, so we're going to go for rolling entries. So I can dig in to get the harness control. If I'm going to roll him over his right shoulder, the connection of my harness will be over the right shoulder. I put my knee down, and then I put my right shoulder in the back of his head. Head comes on the mat, and as I roll over, I open my legs, and now Declan is between my legs, and I can start playing the game. He can counter that as I roll. He gets sick to death of getting his back taken, and he'll land and bring his knees to the chest. It's just a variation of the crab ride. Let's just look at that. So we're here. From side ride position, control 3, dig in harness, put the knee down, pull my grip over his shoulder, shoulder comes in over the back of the head, head goes in the mat, open him out, and I'm here. Just turn this way, bro. So I've ended on his back, but Declan tucks his knees to his chest, so we're here. Perfect. So now from this position, so we have a couple on top, wrecking you. So he stuck his knees to his chest and I can't get a hook in. I'm just going to make a crab right hook. I don't even need to put 2 in. So now I bring your left knee to your chest, perfect. I can just kick that out, and then it's a race to chop that in, and I'm on the back. Sorry, I forgot about that.
It's all good, don't worry.
Just head this way, bro, perfect, nice. Towards that foam rollers, perfect, nice. So we're here, same thing, notice the way I'm in the side right position. Start to dig in. It's easier to get the harness in from control 3. So I start working that. Then I put the knee on the mat, pull back, shoulder comes in, head comes in the mat, and I just open up my legs. Perfect. Just run this way. Harness control. Can't put hooks in, so I just put in that crab ride position there, and I can just kick that out. Hook comes in, and I'm on the back. Again, you come up against people that will get sick to death of getting rolled, which means they have to widen their base. There's only 2 ways he can widen his base to stop getting rolled. He can open up his elbows, or he can widen his knees. But originally, why did we go for rolling entries? Because I couldn't get inside with my knees. So if I'm in the side right and I get harness control, and I start to work this, and Declan starts to widen his knees or whatever, and now I just feel I can't roll him, my knees coming in, and we've already addressed this. From that position, hook comes in, move my hip, and I'm on the back. So that is our first rolling entrance from turtle.